name is Lisa Bowen, and I'm going to be talking to you about Prezi today. Prezi is an interactive website that you can go to and create your own presentation, and it uses 2D and 3D, as you can see in the video here. You can also watch a video a little bit about Prezi and what it is. In order to get started, you just click on the Get Started button here, and it will take you to the pricing screen. As you can see, there is a free Prezi available, and that's for your Prezis to be public, and it has 100 megs of storage. If you want to upgrade, it adds storage, and it gives you the capability of making your Prezi private instead of just public. So when you are ready to log in, you can sign up, and it will ask you for your email and a couple things that you need to answer about whether you're in education or in business. You can also log in with your Facebook or with your LinkedIn. So after you have created an account and you log in, it will take you to your home page where it will show the Prezis that you have created. And as you can see here, I've created a Prezi. This is the one that you were just looking at. And then this is one I created. I can delete them at any time I want to. Let's go to Explore, because if you don't want to make your own Prezi, there are many Prezis available. If I wanted a Prezi about poems, anything about language or math, history, science, even about business, I can search millions of Prezis, just like it says. Say I wanted something on verbs, I could type in verbs, and it will bring me up several pages of Prezis already available about verbs. I have noticed one thing, that there are several users all over the world that use Prezi. So before you show your class, if that's what you're using it for, then of course preview it in order for you to know what is in the Prezi. But as you can see, there are more than 1,000 Prezis on verbs alone. Any thing that you want, there's really already Prezis available. But if you would like to start with your own Prezi, then go back to your Prezis. Of course, the Learn and Support key also gives you several videos and tutorials on how to use Prezi. They are really simple to watch and learn from. When you want to create your own Prezi, simply click on New Prezi, and it will open up a new Prezi for you. The first thing that it asks is for your template. You can use one of the many templates that are already available, or you can use a blank page and create your own template for your own Prezi. When it does open up, this is where you can start a blank Prezi here, or you can use a template here. These are some popular templates, the latest, and if you click on more, then there's more templates of any type. It's best to kind of use a template that is close to what you will be teaching about. Say we wanted to use a template about snowflakes, we could use that template. And this is the template. What Prezi does is give you one big picture, and then from that picture it goes to individual points in that picture, and then you can add in images, text, pictures, and videos. So say we wanted to call it Snow 2015. That's our title. Just like in Word, you can create different colors, different size text, bold, pick any color you want, pick where you want to put it at, and when you're finished, just click off of it. And then you can see over here that you have our tile. This shows the different pages that you can go to. This is where we're at now. And then if we want to go to 2, it will take us to 2. We'll click on it, and that's 2. Now we want to talk about our snow, our record snow this year. We can talk about it, and we can put in any text that we want. When we're finished with this, we can make sure that this is what we want, move it around any way we want to, and then we can go to the next one when we're finished. Anytime we want to insert anything, we can insert images or videos. We can delete the text that we don't want. Insert images here, videos, YouTube videos, insert more layouts, PowerPoints, lots of different options. Say we want to insert an image, and we could select our own file, or we could select one from their library. And when we select one from their library, all we would need to do is drag it over, give it just a minute to process, and when it comes up, then you have the option to move it where you want to. You can also turn it any way you want to, make it larger, make it smaller, and you can crop it, effects, or you can delete it if you decide to delete it. Then when you're through with that part, you can go on to the next part and add what you want to in there. If you want to change your paths, all you have to do is move these up and down to the different places you want to change them. Also, if you wanted to look at the path, this right here shows you the path that we've taken. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back to 11, which is also 1. If I wanted to change this, I simply move it around and change it any which way I want to. Move it back and forth. And then when I'm done, simply click done, and I have chosen my path. If I decide to change them again, just click on edit path again, or I can even move them this way and it will move them to any way I want to. After I have completed everything that I want to complete on here, I could even delete some if I want to delete some by removing them here. When I'm done, I can click on done and present, and then it will show me my presentation. And see if I want to change anything, I can go back and change anything. When I'm ready to publish or share, I can share right here. If I share it on Facebook, it will also give me a embed code I can use. I can also download it as a PDF or a portable Prezi, and it automatically saves it for me every few minutes. So that is just a quick start on getting started on Prezis, and they're simple, they're fun, and their students really like them too. So get them to create their own. Thank you very much.